Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. Today, short TA update on this beautiful Monday morning, the 17th of April. Let's quickly jump into the charts to see what is happening to Bitcoin. I'm a little bit late, but it's Europe, it's in Portugal. I'm like 1 hour behind you guys, so you are 1 hour later. So for me, it's very difficult to produce these videos in the morning, but I will search for a beautiful solution for that. But let's quickly jump into the charts first. Bam, over here. This is the 4-hour chart. On this 4-hour chart, we can see that yes, the Bam Bam called for a short. We are down below the yellow stepping line. We are falling down. We can see the automated Fibonacci retracement levels in the Bam Bam indicator. So for me, if I want to open a long now in Bitcoin, I'm waiting for a retrace to this area somewhere over there between 29,135 and 29,500. So if we would retrace to there, that is the moment I would open a long to take some profit again over there, because that's what I believe that a move in Bitcoin could be at the moment. We can see there is a lot of yellow and blue on the bottom, which means bearish. The white line is at 49 at the moment. We can go as low as, if we look back in the past over here, for example, all the way to the level of 12. So yes, we can retrace a little bit more. If you want to trade all of this with the Bam Bam indicator, go to the bitcoinfamily.com. If you want to trade on Bybit, then click on the link down below this video. Bam, it will take you to this beautiful website over here where the special benefits for you will be shown, because these are special benefits for me and Bybit. $30 for just signing up, 30,000 US dollar bonus depending on how much Bitcoins you deposit, and you don't have spot trading fees. Sorry for the noise on the back, that's a little bit cleaning being done over there. Zooming out to the weekly chart. The weekly chart I've been showing you already for weeks now. I've been telling you guys, yes, we are in this beautiful pattern of the bottom, a new high, a higher low, a higher high, and probably again a higher low. I've been sharing this already for weeks, and so you know that I believe that we are not going to push through directly, that in my opinion there will always be a retrace on the weekly. That can take some longer, and the last time when we thought there would be a retrace, we pushed a little bit higher. But now again, a weekly red candle is forming, so maybe now this is the ultimate higher high before that we go into a higher low. Will that be around 25k, 27k? All possibilities over there. At least if we keep that structure, bullish on Bitcoin. The moment we fall lower, for example, the moment we would do this in the price lower than that low over there, then we are breaking this structure, and then we should be worrying. But now every little thing is gonna be all right. On the 5-day chart, we can still see on the Gaussian channel that we are still red. This Gaussian channel red part took in total 83 bars, so that's 415 days. This one took 68 bars, that's 240 days. At the moment we are at 77 bars. This whole move is looking more than the move as the move over there in 2014 and 15. So yes, it can take another 5 bars, for example, which is 25 days, which is a full month before the Gaussian channel will turn green. But when it turns green, guys, we are going to find support on this channel, and then this channel is going to be our beautiful indication of the new bull market. And now there is 4 more charts that I'm going to share with you. Beautiful charts. The first one is BAM over here. This one is a 1-day chart, and this one is showing you the Bitcoin halvings. Of course, these are the vertical red lines, and the rest is a 2-year moving average. And we can see in these areas that we are down below that green line. These are the moments you should be buying. We are still down below it. This is still a moment that you should be buying, because the moment we leave that line and we go to the upside, we could always go up to 170k, which at the moment is the top of that red line. It can decrease a little bit, but still the midline, or white line over there, is around like 120. So beautiful chart to show you, yes, you're not too late. You could still be buying Bitcoin at a beautiful price. Also, this chart showing you exactly the same. This one is a power law corridor, also showing the halvings with these vertical lines, the yellow lines over there. But this one also indicating to you guys, look, whenever we are between that purple and that green line at the bottom, you should be buying. When we touch it over here, when we are in it, buying. We were in it for a long time, buying. We are leaving that area now. That one is even giving a top of 213,000, but you know, that can be decreasing because here we didn't reach as well. So also not predicting the exact top of this bull run, but telling you to buy, start buying. We should be accumulating Bitcoin now every day. Bam. That is what you see here. A lot of people are accumulating Bitcoin every day. Why? Because you can see, and that my face of course is in the wrong place. No, it's kind of okay. We'll make it a little bit smaller. You can see the transaction count momentum entity adjusted, which means like internal transactions from wallet to the same wallet are not calculated. But we can see over here that we are nearing the level over there now, that purple line that we had here in the bull run top last time. So there's a shitload of transactions going on at the moment, even almost as much as the bull run last time in 2021. So this is very positive. More transactions, really cool. This will go into peak moment maybe like over there, but that will take another, like in my opinion, 1.5 years before we get even to the bull market top. I still believe it will be 2025 September, guys. But this one, very positive chart showing us that there is a lot of transactions being done on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, then we have this one over here. This is the MVRVZ score. Like I've been sharing with you for a long time, happy long time. I told you every time we get in the green box, buy Bitcoin. When we get into the green box, buy Bitcoin. When we get into the green box, buy Bitcoin. We got in that green box in 2022. I told you to buy Bitcoin. Now we are leaving that green box. Where do you think it will go if you look to the left on the charts? Are we going to go down again, or are we going to go upwards to that pinkish box into the new bull run top? You should be buying Bitcoin, just like I showed you on the other charts. Buy Bitcoin. Is there another reason why you should buy Bitcoin? Yes, bam. This one is very clear. You can compare it. I will just put it in all this stuff that doesn't even matter to me in my face. You can compare Bitcoin to all the other assets out there, guys. You can compare it to the Nasdaq, you compare it to the stocks, to gold, to large caps, to investment grade bonds. You can compare it to US cash, to small caps, you can compare it to all that shit, in my opinion. If you look on the right side over here, made by Charlie Bilello, over here, guys, you can see annualized Bitcoin is making 155.6% profit. There is not one asset that comes close annualized. If you look at the cumulative part of the table over here, you know, there is not one asset coming close, guys. It's not even close to Bitcoin. That's why you should be in Bitcoin and not in all that other crap over there, including real estate, in my opinion. Is also becoming crap. It's going to be crashing that real estate market. We had the bonds crashing, we have now the dollars, the fiat crashing, and now of course real estate is also going to crash, in my opinion. So for me, Bitcoin is the only store of value that really protects your capital and increases your capital. And luckily, there are countries, bam, that start to understand this more and more. Because if you look at the Google search engine, then we see which countries are searching now for Bitcoin. Nigeria is explosively searching for Bitcoin. Then we have El Salvador, of course, Austria, Ghana, and Switzerland, all in the top 5 of searching for Bitcoin on Google. And that's beautiful, because if you look in this table over here where you can see the interest over time, the interest over time is showing us that yes, of course, in 2004 there was no interest because there was no Bitcoin, but during the time there came more and more interest, and every time when we peak in these bull markets there's a lot of interest. 2021, a lot of interest, and then we crash again. But again, the next top of this interest will go higher and higher and higher as more and more people start to discover Bitcoin, bam, the power of Bitcoin, but also how it can be used as a store of value instead of dollars and fiats that are crashing and creating a very poor world because of the inflation they are forced on because of the Fed and other central banks. So the central banks, not your friend. You should only believe in, bam, that one over there, 21 million Bitcoins. No more, no less, 21 million Bitcoin, fixed supply, increasing demand that will lead to increasing prices. Thank you for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment what do you think about this charts, and let me know how is your day. For me, wishing you an amazing week, and yes, this full week I will produce some cool family videos again, of course, because I saw in the algorithm of YouTube that you prefer those family videos where people like my kids and my wife appear, and then we get more views and more likes. Thank you for that. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again. Bam.